Good morning everyone and welcome back. Today I will be unveiling another credit card from Eastwest. So let's go. So I'm with my baby boy Natsu. He likes to sit on the couch. And going back to the card, I have with me the East-West card that's been returned for several times already. So I got this card a month ago and this is the first time I'm actually opening the envelope. So today is April 12. April 12 ba ngayon? Yes, April 12, and although I have an idea of what this card is about, which I won't be able to use while we are on ECQ or Enhanced Community Quarantine, but I would still love to unveil the card kasi I wanna check the design and the benefits of the card too. Yung credit card agent sa Hacienda, she's the one who processed the application on my behalf. Tapos, naka-receive na lang ako ng tawag and all for verification. And then, eto na, na-receive ko na yung card. When I called East-West to have the card redirected sa office address ko, I found out that the credit card agent also applied for a platinum card sa East-West. So let me check what this platinum card entails. Oh, it's kind of different. Okay, so here is the welcome kit. So this is the virtual, which means I have a different copy of the credit card information that I can use when I'm making purchases online or over the phone, which is definitely adds a layer of security when you're making purchases online kasi it's different from the physical card itself. And I have a virtual card with BPI din kasi, so I think if you would like to add more security to your account, especially if masyado mataas yung credit limit mo, this is one thing that will definitely help and save you trouble in case of compromise or whatever. For the virtual card, free lifetime membership, online convenience, as I mentioned earlier, added security, improved transaction monitoring. It'll just be included in your statement. And yung maganda sa virtual card kasi, hindi lahat ng available credit limit na na-assign sa card mo or sa account is available. So there is like a sublimit sa card. And that makes added peace of mind for credit card holders. So the initial sublimit assigned to the virtual cards is set at 10,000, and it can be increased based here up to 50% of the credit limit of my East-West Platinum Mastercard, but not more than 100,000. So it's either 100,000 or up to 50%, whichever is lower of your card. Then you can just call East-West to increase the sublimit. And what's good about this one is that you can also request for a virtual card for your supplementary card holder. So just be careful because if it gets lost, and a card replacement fee of 200 pesos shall be charged to your East-West Platinum Mastercard. And we don't want added fees, right? So this is the actual card. And it says the mark of true accomplishment. Oh my god. I think this is the perfect card for me because over the years I've definitely been looking for a card that has no annual fee, and I have a lot of cards that have no annual fee. But I have cards na may annual fee and tumatawag ako sa bank to have those fees waived. And fortunately, those credit card issuers are generous enough to waive those fees or refund the fees. But you can definitely have a peace of mind if you see sa welcome kit that the card that you will be having has no annual fee for life, just like this card. It says here that the annual membership fees for your principal and supplementary Eastwest Platinum Mastercard credit cards have been waived perpetually so that you may enjoy luxurious benefits and spending privileges for a lifetime. This is the first time that I've actually encountered a card, especially an elite card, that automatically waives the fee perpetually. So if you are into saving like me, then you may want to try applying for this card. And syempre, mas maganda yung perks ng Platinum Card members, right? So Platinum perks and Mastercard moments, delight and special privileges from our roster of renowned local establishments, yada yada. Ayan, discover exceptional experiences designed to inspire and enrich you. Free comprehensive travel accident and inconvenience insurance of up to 20 million pesos. Wow, great. You can be worry-free and safe as you explore the wonders of the world. I know it's not possible right now, but in the future, you and your family are covered up to 20 million pesos with our comprehensive travel accident and inconvenience insurance when you purchase your travel tickets using your Eastwest Platinum Mastercard. So definitely this is the card that I will be using moving forward for flights. Kasi if you've watched my previous unveiling videos, the insurance doesn't go high as much as this one. Kasi ito up to 20 million for not only for me but also for my family. And the very first gatekeeper here or requirement is to make sure that the trip is purchased using the card, right? So I will definitely make sure to use this card to so that I'm protected and my family is protected as well. Tapos free priority pass membership, which I've had with RCBC and Metro Bank Platinum cards. If you haven't watched my video, yung priority pass, it gives you access to more than 1,000 VIP airport lounges worldwide, regardless of the airline you are taking or ticket class held. But this is just membership, and if you access a lounge actually included in the priority pass, then you may need to pay an incidental fee. But it's not that much if you compare to paying a day pass for a lounge sa airport. Ganon. Ito na nga So, minimal usage fee of $27 per person per visit, which will be charged to the Eastwest Platinum Mastercard. However, each usage fee of $27 will be free and credited back to your account for every 100,000 pesos worth of accumulated spending from travel, ticket purchases, and international transactions during your travel period. I think the waiver for this access is also available sa, I'm not sure if it's Metro Bank or RCBC. Yeah, you may want to check the other videos. Every time I use the card, I can earn Platinum Rewards point for every 40 pesos you spend. So 40 pesos is equal to 1 Platinum Rewards point. And syempre hindi mawawala sa Platinum card the 24/7 worldwide concierge service, including international travel, shopping or dining assistance, medical care or emergency services whenever or wherever you need it. The corresponding fees of the concierge services will be charged to your Eastwest Platinum card. I wonder if this is also accessible during this current situation right now. I'm not sure. Other card features: global acceptance, smart chip and contactless technology, which is actually true to most of credit cards that I have. 3D secure technology. This card for online transactions has the 3D Secure, which is another layer of security against possible fraudulent use of the card in online shops that display the Mastercard Secure Code logo. Ayun, so I haven't experienced that yet, but it sounds really amazing. All purchases, whether local or international, shall be billed and paid in Philippine peso to allow you to keep your foreign currency intact. I'm not sure if that's even important. Yeah, okay, so high cash advance limit. I saw that. It's really tempting kasi it says here that it's really up to 70% of your credit limit at any East-West ATM. So be very careful when you really withdraw cash using cash advance because it may victimize you or something. Especially during this time na we are challenged financially, diba? Look for other ways other than withdrawing cash. But the good thing about this one is that you can actually take advantage of up to 70% of your cash advance limit, which is pretty cool. Balance transfer your other credit cards balances to your Eastwest Platinum Mastercard credit card and enjoy great savings and lighter monthly installment payments. So I'd rather do balance transfer or yung mga convert to cash versus a cash advance kasi mas mababa yung rate nila compared to cash advances. So they also have the option, and most cards offer this na they can convert your high ticket shopping and travel expenses to installment payable in 6, 12, 18, or 24 easy payment terms at low monthly add-on interest rate. So ito yung mga transactions where you're unable to pay in full or siguro walang option to defer the payment, like put it in installments, right? So you may be able to take advantage of this one for any emergency cases. Insta-Cash facility. Enjoy access to cash with the card through the Insta-Cash facility at low monthly add-on interest rates and flexible installment terms. So this is what I'm talking about, converting your credit limit to cash, which is at a much lower rate. But usually pag ganito, you need to go through an application. For cash advance, it's easier because you only need the cash advance PIN. But if you're going to look at the convenience and how you can save up, might as well take advantage of the Insta-Cash facility. Most credit cards naman have the bill pay option wherein they can, or you can enroll those bills as like recurring charges to your card, which is easier, so hindi mo na kailangan pumila somewhere sa Bayad Center or whatever. You don't have to do it your own online. Those credit cards can do it for you, and this is true to East-West. And free supplementary cards, electronic statement, online banking. So this card has lost card protection. You will be free of any financial liability from fraudulent charges made on your East-West Platinum Mastercard from the time you reported the loss. You need to make sure that you report the loss to make sure that you are protected from the time na report nyo na yung pagkawala ng card, right? Replacement card for physical card is 400 pesos, so don't ever lose your card. I've never experienced losing a card in my entire credit card history. It's important as well, especially if you travel internationally, you'd be able to see the conversion rate, right? Kasi I myself don't want to withdraw a lot of cash while traveling internationally, so might as well check the conversion rate. Foreign currency conversion fee for the Platinum Mastercard. Previously, it's 2.50%, which is lower than most of the rates that I am seeing on previous card issuers. What's great is that as of April 1st, 2019, it's been actually reduced to 1.70%. So it's pretty lower already. So might as well think of what to bring with you when you travel internationally. First page and last page, you will see that the annual fee of the card is waived perpetually. So it gives me that peace of mind talaga that you will be able to save. So excited na ako ipakita sa inyo yung card. Actually, this is the first time na hindi ko muna nilabas yung physical card. I'm very happy. I'm not gonna disclose the credit limit, but so far this is the highest credit limit that I have. Yeah, I'm just very happy. Ang kulit. Ito siya. If you haven't seen, ito yung card. Yan, hindi ko napapakita yung card ko like this one. Sige, pakita ko na lang din. Ganyan. Ito yung design ng card. And as you can see, it says here that the card is already activated and ready for use. So, kaya pala they're very strict when it comes to return mail. They don't just leave it in your mailbox or slip it through your front door. Someone has to really claim the card for you. The great benefits are also included here sa page where my Eastwest card is attached. I'm not expecting sa mga benefits ng card na to, and I am really surprised and I'm thankful that the credit card agent talked me into applying for other cards. I'm not expecting that premium cards or elite cards would have no annual fee for life. So that's it. And then the benefits, I'm really amazed. So I think this would be the longest credit card unveiling video that I will have. But if you have any suggestions, nakaka-receive na ako ng mga suggestions from some of my viewers or the new viewers. So thank you so much for all of your comments. And don't hesitate to add those to the comment box. I'm inspired as well to create new content, although I don't post a lot because I have a job, I have a real life aside from doing videos, but I really appreciate it if you can share your thoughts as well and suggestions. I will definitely try my best to come up with interesting content, especially with credit cards and credit card tips as well. So thank you again for watching. Stay safe and healthy to you guys. I hope this COVID-19 situation will be over soon so that we can all go back to normal. Thank you again. Take care. Bye-bye.